Hello, welcome to my channel. I am not professional, I am just amateur, and I try to change my kitchen mixer. This is broken. I have broken it because it dropped water here. I am opening this mixer, take water, take one crown and open this screw here, and next screw, and close the water with this one. Here, go to the wash machine. All this be open. I am opening the water machine from the wash machine. It's little water in this, but you have some. So this is open, no more water. Now I have opened the screw. I have fixed it 2016 and now it's 2021. That have very bad smell. Do not smell it, it's not good. I have it to save the water to rain out, and I'm opening the wash machine. It's output wider. This is the screw. It's a little hard, but open it. That you have so much dirty and very bad smell. Look it. You see what happened with me? Bad smell, very bad smell. So you can have the to save the smell. I'm opening it with one crown. There, they are open now, and this water I have closed it. This is the central water. Open it. It is there. You have little water, but you have something to clean up. There, you see. And next, so there I have opened it all. This is two screws there to open the mixer, kitchen mixer, or maybe tap water. Now it's open, take out. That is outside now. Here you clean it. I forget some washer, but I have the silicone there. I found the washer thereafter, but that was for too late. You put down the new tap water. Maybe say it. That is sitting here. There you have the two screws to screw again in underside. That is really difficult. You must have okay. I have this one finish. That is for the holder for the water. I have closed it. Here is very dirty. You can clean it. There, I have cleaned it. And underside, be cleaned too.
أنا كنا تخفارو يتر نرجع برا.
Then I have silicone and the new. This is go to the output water. What is small. I have water and Rica. That glider a little better. Push in it. That you see that we click there, click, and then you can screw it. That's for the output water. I cut it. Here you see I have little of the silicone to be keep, and there to keep this smile from the water. There I am. That's for the wash machine. New. I must change it. But this is new and that need to be cut. You have this screw to open. So that smells very bad. Open the screw to take out this old this is the old. You take out this. That is the new. It's better to change anything, or maybe you can clean that. I have for the put this water. Wash machine, connect it, and connect that to the water. Here, close it. This is for the dirty water. When you need to clean it, click, click. So here I have connected all, and this you need to have this little plaster back and push it in there. Now I am finished there. You need to cut it. That you need this and cut it. It's a little hard. You must have tools to cut it. I don't have it. And have there to connect and screw hard. Now it's finished, and the water warm and cold. Pull it and slip out. Thank you for watching, and welcome again.